Chintu Bell.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little animals want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Milk and quack, quack, said Mama Duck, we can't swim. We're out of luck. Raindrops make our feathers wet. Not the swimming time just yet. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the animals want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Little bunny wants to hop, but the puddles make him stop. Please, oh please, no rain today. I want to hop and run and play. Little puppy wags his tail so fast. Wants the sunshine back at last. Chasing balls is what he loves. Under clear blue skies above. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All our friends want fun today. Rain, rain, go away. My kitten peeks outside the door. Rain,